Buono. Thank you very much. God bless you guys. Hello my beautiful people, how you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing great as well as keeping safe. So you guys can see I have another simple recipe. The recipe for today is broccoli in a microwave. As you guys can see, yeah, it's my broccoli here. They call it broccoli romano. I have my thin slide, my prosciutto, my salt, my ginger powder, as well as my white pepper. Broccoli is full of health benefit. Broccoli has protein. Broccoli has calcium. Broccoli has vitamins like vitamin D, like vitamin C, vitamin B6, magnesium. Broccoli is full of lots of health benefit, guys. Buongiorno, buon pomeriggio, bella gente. C'è oggi da preparare broccoli nel microonde. Come sapete, broccoli c'è tanti benefici salutari che c'è nei broccoli, quindi non andate via, sedete sul vostro divano mentre preparerò questa delicatezza semplice, semplice, ma buono, buono, buono. Okay, my beautiful people, let's go and start preparation for this my broccoli nel microonde for today. Let's go, guys. So I have my broccoli already on the gas, so now I'm going to add just some few salt. Bella gente, l'ho già messo al fuoco broccoli. Ora aggiungiamo un pochino di sale. I'm going to add some few salt, just a bit of salt, and I'm going to allow it to cook for 10 minutes. So guys, I'll see you guys in 10 minutes time. Ci vediamo fra 10 minuti, bella gente. Lo lascio cuocere. Allora, a dopo. I need to add my ginger powder. Oh, bella gente, devo aggiungere anche i polvere di aglio. Un pochettino. Per dare un pochino di sapore. Okay guys, now I need to cover now. Okay, it's now time for me to add my pepper. Per la gente ora mettiamo pepe bianco. You guys can see. So now I'm going to allow it for another 5 minutes and I'll be back. Okay guys, ok, it's now time for me to remove. Bella gente, al momento spengiamo il fuoco. Ok, va bene, via. Let's go start the other operation, guys. Ok, as you guys can see, come potete vedere, ora passiamo a cominciare la preparazione di infornatura, bella gente. Let's go, guys. So this is my prosciutto. So what I need to do now, come potete vedere, bella gente, cosa sto facendo? So you guys can see what I'm doing. This one is done, so let me take from here. Okay. So this is my broccoli. So I'm going to add my broccoli in here. Bella gente, potete vedere, metto dentro broccoli dentro. This is very healthy. This is a very delicious and healthy meal, guys. You're gonna try it. They call it broccoli romano broccoli in English. It's different from the other cavolo. It's different from the other. So I'm going to put everything, guys, in here, so you guys can see what I'm doing. La gente, potete vedere quello che sto combinando. Assicuriamo, mettiamo tutto dentro. Come potete vedere, ho messo tutto. Ok, guys. Now it's not time for me to add my thin slide. Mettiamo anche i sottiletti dentro. Okay, guys, you guys can see. So now I'm going to add the remaining prosciutto. Then I'm going to cover with the one that was remaining, guys, so you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay. Just press it a little. So make sure everything has entered properly, guys. Potete vedere ora cosa ho fatto. Okay, guys, as you guys can see now, this is how it's looking now. So now I'm gonna put in the microwave for 5 minutes, guys. Ora potete vedere come ora, bella gente. Ora lo metto nel microonde per 5 minuti. Andiamo nel microonde, bella gente. You guys just take a very good look how it's looking now, guys. Okay, let's go, guys. Andiamo a lavorare. All right, guys, let's close and set. 5 minutes, guys. Ci vediamo tra 5 minuti, bella gente, visto che sto girando, gira. It's starting already, guys. See you guys in 5 minutes time. Okay. Down. Okay, let's go. Let's take a look, guys. All right, let's see. Okay, guys. So I'll be removing it in a short while. Let me remove it. Oh, it's hot. Okay, it's a little bit burnt, guys. Just take a look. But I'm going to cut it later so you guys can see how it's looking inside, my beautiful people. Bella gente, potete vedere ora. E poi dopo lo taglio, così potete vedere come è venuto dentro. Ci taglio dopo. Ci vediamo tra poco, bella gente. Let's cut together. All together now. Ok. Bella gente, tagliamo, vediamo un pochettino com'è. Oh, I'm going to use this one. Sorry, guys. Oh, you guys see, it's still very hot. As you can see, all my returning subscribers for always liking, commenting on my video. God bless each and every one of you abundantly in the name of God, the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. Thank you very much, my amazing goody family. God bless you. Peace and love as usual. Peace and love as usual. Peace and love as usual. Thank you. Buono. Grazie. A presto.